What's the meaning of answerphone? Answerphone. 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 Answerphone.
An answerphone is a device used to record incoming phone messages when the recipient is unavailable or unable to answer the phone. When a call is missed, the answerphone will automatically answer the call and prompt the caller to leave a voicemail message. The recorded message can then be retrieved by the recipient at a later time by dialing into the answerphone system and entering a security code. Answerphones are common in both residential and business settings and provide a convenient way to stay connected with callers even when unavailable.